Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of June, 2025, our system has categorized MicroStrategy Incorporated as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.09. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating a continuation of this upward movement. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 27.91% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 7.13% to 54.52%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 76.28%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 34.44% and 187.96% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price between $522 and $1,119. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for MicroStrategy Incorporated Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price increased by 3.09% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025. It rose from $377.02 to $388.67. Throughout the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.67%, with a low of $379.31 and a high of $389.45. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 0.64% during this period. Volume saw an increase on the last day, coinciding with the price rise, which is considered a positive technical indicator. In total, 191,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a cumulative total of 10 million shares exchanged for approximately $3.92 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $543, and the lowest price was $102.40. Currently, the price is 28.52%, or $154.33, below the 52-week high of $543, which is also the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy, traded under the ticker MSTR, has recently become a focal point for investors due to a combination of rising interest, innovative product launches, and ongoing legal challenges. As of June 25, 2025, the stock closed at $377.02. reflecting a notable increase of 2.68% from the previous day, which demonstrates positive market sentiment and potential momentum. The company's new AI-powered platform, Strategy Mosaic, aims to address critical issues with data management and governance, potentially driving new business opportunities as organizations enhance their AI capabilities. However, the situation is complicated by a pending class action lawsuit against MicroStrategy related to securities fraud, with a lead plaintiff deadline fast approaching on July 15th. This could introduce volatility and uncertainty, influencing investor confidence in the near term. Legal challenges may overshadow the company's growth narrative, especially for those holding substantial losses, prompting some investors to act defensively. In the short term, the combination of positive product news and ongoing litigation may lead to mixed sentiments among traders. In the long term, MicroStrategy's ability to leverage Bitcoin gains and capture market share through innovative technology could underlie a stronger valuation. However, investors should remain cautious given the looming legal pressures that could dampen performance and investor sentiment. As MSTR continues to navigate these dynamics, stock price fluctuations will likely reflect both advancements in strategy and investor reactions to legal developments. Analyst ratings. On Monday, May 19, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned MSTR a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Cantor Fitzgerald rated MSTR with a hold grade and a hold action. Additionally, on Monday, May 19, 2025, Barclays also gave MSTR a hold grade along with a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, May 16, 2025, UBS rated MSTR with a buy grade and a hold action. Furthermore, on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell, alongside the price-to-book ratio, which receives the same strong sell rating. For return on investment, analysts continue to recommend a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. MicroStrategy Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, offering a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these signals, as the long-term average is currently above the short-term average. In the event of corrections downward, support can be expected around the levels of $375.58 and $387.71. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also been generated, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025. And so far, the stock has decreased by 7.81%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 30 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $343.03 and $296.86. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this scenario, MicroStrategy Incorporated has support just below today's level at $343.03. If this support is broken, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at $296.86 and $293.61. This stock typically trades at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. Over the past day, the stock moved $10.14, which is a change of 2.67% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.90%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly touch on some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest a lack of profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at -12 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at 402.69. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at 343.03. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating from MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 18th of June, 2025, Li Fong conducted an insider buy of 8,400 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of June, 2025, Patton Jared M. conducted an insider buy of 5,000 shares of Series A perpetual stride preferred stock. On the 5th of June, 2025, Montgomery Janine conducted an insider buy of 1,140 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of June, 2025, Montgomery Janine conducted an insider buy of 1 share of Class A common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Montgomery Janine conducted an insider buy of 24 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $368.12, reflecting a decline of 5.29%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal identified from a pivot top that occurred 29 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated displays several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning you may choose to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. We have updated our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate status. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of June, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will open lower by $2.86, starting the day at $385.81. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.